Yes, yes, this is so good. You're gonna love this one. I love it. Don't forget to subscribe. Coffee. So, let's get going. This is my today's last Chanel box I'm opening. I opened other ones and see my all other videos about the Chanel's and Dior's and all that food, regular food, diet food, low carb food, every kind of food videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and hit the like button and write to me. How do you like my videos? Alright, this one is like this, different ribbon. It's so nice. They put 3 of them in different boxes and different ribbons. So I like it. I know Chanel's customer service is great because I had a problem with my packages. They immediately attended. There was someone called Lauren there. Shout out to Lauren and the other ladies too. They're also sweet and nice and attentive. When you call, they answer. I'm gonna open this wonderful Dior box at my next video. So for the customer service, if I have to pick one, I'll pick Chanel. They're very quick, attentive, answer the phones quickly, but they both very quality. Packagings are amazing. Alright, let's get to business. I also wanted to tell you guys, these, none of them, nothing on our YouTube is sponsored. So this is all honest opinion. I love the ribbon. Ta-da! Ribbon is so pretty, you can even make some hairbands from them. Love it. It's beautiful packaging. Any girl, any woman, even any man would like to open these packages. So you open your box and here's that seal, like so romantic. All times people, when they used to write letters to each other, they put it like a stamp. Beautiful. So this is the tester pouch. It's nylon. I don't know if you want to reuse, you can. So this is a mascara, and this is the some repair mask. Little testers, little free things, always cool. So, and this is what else I bought. This is Chanel Gabrielle. All these videos, 2 of them, I have deodorants. The reason I bought these to try the scent of them, how they smell, how do I like, how my husband likes, because my husband doesn't like perfume if it's too heavy or too sugary or too this, too that. But I love perfume. It's like I'm European. I love perfume. So all these years I couldn't convince him to buy perfume, so I said, okay, I'll buy deodorants and perfumes. I'm only going to use them if you like them, and then he agreed with it. So also, if you're buying gifts, these are 40 bucks, and look at this presentation. I mean, it's seriously beautiful. Everybody will like this, and it's Christmas. You want to buy something nice to your loved ones, right? I do. Let's open it. I also want to mention, when I opened the other boxes, I tried the Chanel 5 and the Mademoiselle. I washed my hands, Chanel 5 and the Mademoiselle. And Mademoiselle smells, but Chanel 5, it's like, didn't go away. It's unbelievable, because perfumes, the problems with the perfumes, we all have it, right? They go away so quickly. I mean, like, you have to keep putting it all day long. Some of them, I mean, very rare they stay. That's beautiful. Very, very nice gold. I don't like gold things too much, but this gold, yeah, muted gold, love. I'm going to try it now to see how do I like this. So anyways, I recommend you buying deodorants. You can see how do you like the smell, how it stays on your skin. And it's Christmas. We are buying so many gifts, right? For too many people. Oh, this packaging is so beautiful. like it, this gold. I never tried the Gabrielle too. So funny, all these years, how I didn't try these perfumes, which I love perfumes. I'm gonna put it here. Oh. Okay, right. This one is the Gabrielle Chanel's first perfume. Olivier Polky created. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It's so different. It doesn't smell like any other perfumes. So we know her as Coco Chanel, but her real name was Gabrielle. And she actually born in an orphanage, and she worked at the cabarets in Paris, and they gave her name the Coco, and that's how we know her, Coco Chanel. So this perfume smells young, innocent, beautiful, and sophisticated. Jasmine, fruits, clean, modern, stress girly, but not too sweet, fresh. I think you can use this every season. It's you can use this summer, spring. Yeah, it reminds me, like, you know, that spring breeze, summer breeze, when like a wind around sitting at your yard or in some garden, flower smells. Smells good. Let me ask my husband. Okay. This is last Chanel. This name is Gabrielle. Come and smell how it smells and tell us.
Very different.
Very different, right? That's something you would like. It's very light.
That's a totally different style than the other ones.
Yeah.
I like it. Yeah.
It's white flowers, like jasmines and stress, and it's a young smell. It's great for someone young.
It's very fabulous.
Yeah. Young woman, teenager.
You can wear it too.
I'm young.
Yeah.
I can wear it. Mature woman. Huh?
Yeah, very GG.
Yeah, it's cool. And okay, and the packaging is, everything is great, and it's not sponsored. It is beautiful. Gabrielle Chanel. It's beautiful. We suggest you, and please don't forget to subscribe. Ciao.